S21 FE released recently in India, that is the Exynos version. And when it comes to the price wise, it is very high when compared to S20 FE 5G mobile, which is a Snapdragon version. The S21 FE is almost having identical specs when compared to this S20 FE 5G Snapdragon version, which was released 1 year back. In this video, I am covering two topics. One is whether this S20 FE 5G Snapdragon version is worth to buy in 2022, and second is whether you choose S21 FE or this S20 FE, the smaller brother for S21 FE. At the end of the video, I will share which mobile you gonna buy, whether the S20 FE or S21 FE in 2022. I'll tell 9 reasons why you have to choose or you have to stick to this S20 FE 5G Snapdragon version. So one by one we will start. Let's jump into the video. Wait guys, I already posted so many videos related to this mobile. If you're really interested to watch the camera unboxing or review, I will leave all the links in description box. If you really want to know more about this product, links in description box, go and check that. Also, I given the affiliate links of Amazon and Flipkart in the description box. If you want to help me or if you want to help this channel to grow, start purchasing by clicking the links. The first thing is 5G support. Yes, this S20 FE as well as the latest S21 FE both are supported 5G network. So you don't need to worry, the 6G is not yet came, even the 5G is not also came in India. Soon it will come. But both of these two mobiles are having 5G. When it comes to the bands wise, this one is having more than 9 bands of 5G in S20 FE, where I think 11 or 12 bands in S21 FE. So mostly like 2 or 3 bands of 5G doesn't matter a lot. Of course, we're not all having any 5G yet in India. And next is this mobile comes with Snapdragon version, which is more than enough what many of the people are thinking. And when it comes to the S21 FE, it comes with Exynos processor. Dude, I'm not at all a fan of Exynos processors. I already have a prior experience with Exynos processor. While I was using my Note 10 Lite mobile, it's very hot. So the Snapdragon is much more cooler than the Exynos processor. So if you want to stay cool or if you want to stay your mobile cool, purchase the Snapdragon mobiles. And this one is having Snapdragon. And next is flagship cameras. This one is having flagship cameras. The cameras are really good in S20 FE. Trust me guys, I already posted the video of camera of this mobile. If you are interested, again links are in description box, go and check that. The S21 FE as well as this mobile S20 FE both are having identical camera specs. So if you are planning to buy a new mobile with good camera specs, this is a best option for you. And next is identical features. This S20 FE as well as the S21 FE, both mobiles are having almost identical specs. You don't see much differences in between these two mobiles. So why to waste money for like crazily 10 to 15,000? Stick to this mobile. Like S21 FE, this S20 FE is also having the wireless technology. I mean fast wireless technology. This one supports 15 watts like the same as S21 FE, and also it supports wireless charging too, same as S21 FE. Do note this point. Faster software updates. This mobile also having good software updates. The S21 FE out of the box, it comes with One UI 4 with Android 12, and this one is also running with One UI 4 with Android 12. Again, I posted One UI 4 features in this mobile, link in description box. So software wise, no complaints, and when it comes to the security updates wise, no complaints. Also this mobile is having IP68 water and dust resistant. I checked it 3 times, no worries at all. I didn't find any of the problem in this one. It failed accidentally. Yeah, this one supports IP68 water and dust resistant, which is again same as in S21 FE2. And finally, the features. This one is having good calling connectivity and the 120Hz refresh rate. I need to tell about that. It's really cool, and the carrier aggregation support is there, and good high quality stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos support, and both of these two mobiles are having same battery capacity, which is 4500 mAh capacity, and both of these two mobiles supports 25 watts wire charging. So yeah, pretty identical features. So these are the 9 reasons. Almost I covered all the reasons, I think. So that's why I'm telling this mobile suits you the best than S21 FE. In single word, it's a full meals in a budget price. I'm not telling the S21 FE is really bad. It is also a pretty good mobile, but when it comes to the features wise, both are having identical features. Only like 1 or 2, maybe or 3 or 4 features are changing. So just for that, why it's like rocket money? Like it's crazy, 10 to 12,000 difference is there for just like 3 to 4 extra features. That is why I'm telling stick to this mobile. This mobile you can easily use it for like 2 to 3 years. Within months, I'm completing the 1-year anniversary of this mobile. And also one more reason I'm not recommending you to buy S21 FE is the processor. The Exynos is really hot, guys. I am having a prior experience with Exynos processor with Note 10 Lite, which I told starting of this video. It's like crazy hot. If you use like video calls also, the speaker area as well as the back will heaten up quickly. And also if you use it back cases, then it's really hard to dissipate the heat from that mobile. So I'm having a very bad experience with Exynos, and on that time many of the people are complaining about this one. Also I need to mention this one also. This mobile actually released it, S20 FE released it with Exynos processor first, and then they released it with Snapdragon version. So Exynos processor who are using this mobile are mostly and still they are facing the heating issues of Exynos S20 FE. So don't buy Exynos processor mobiles. And also I thinking like maybe after some couple of months they will release again S21 FE with same identical specs of S21 FE right now, which comes with Exynos processor. But when it comes to the processor wise, they will come up like Snapdragon version. Marketing gimmicks. That's all about the video. If you want to clean your laptop, watch this video, and if you want to check out my previous videos what I'm really posted, do check these videos. And also I used the OnePlus 5 for a day, and if you want curious to know how it performed in 2021, do check that video. I'm very curious to see you again in the next video. Take care.